Hey everyone, me and Sonny here with you for a quick one. I wanted to show you something that I just got. Okay, you want to help? Sonny's all excited because it has to do with food. And he loves food, right? Well, and there he goes. He's probably going to look for some more food. So anyway, like a lot of you out there probably, I would imagine you all have a flat top griddle, flat top grill, whatever you want to call it. And I just got one. I haven't had it very long. And I decided that I would get me some tools for there that I want. I know you don't need much, and I probably went a little overboard, as I always do. But what I ended up getting was this Cuisinart Outdoors 24-piece Griddle Tool Set. I don't think you need 24 pieces, but it had a couple things in here I wanted, so I just got the set. I won't use everything, I don't think. I haven't unpacked it yet. I want to show you what all we got. You get a carry bag. I don't know if I would ever use that, but you can put them all in here. Oh, I got to cut this stuff. I didn't even realize it was zip tied. By the way, if you like what you see here and you think it's something you might want for yours, I will leave a link in the description below. It is an Amazon affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it helps me out just a little if you use it, so I appreciate it. Or if you just want to see what it is, how much it costs. I don't remember how much it costs. Too much. Everything's too much. If you've seen some of my other videos, people want to know, is it worth it? And my answer is almost always no, it's not worth it. I don't think anything is worth it nowadays. I don't like to ask that question anymore because everything's too expensive. I like to ask the question, is it beneficial to me? Is it something I want to use? Is it something I like? Is it something I want? If it is, I guess it's worth it. So what do we got in here? We have a scraper. In one of the pictures on Amazon, you don't see the hole in here, so you kind of like, well, how can you hang it if you want to hang it? You get one of these here little spatula things. It's grooved like that. I don't know the purpose of some of this stuff. I'm new to this sport. Yeah, it's pretty rigid. And you get another one just like it, but it's perforated. And you get the wide one. I really did want one of these. The wider one for different things. That will come in handy, I think, for a lot of different stuff. Overall, what I'm seeing so far, they seem to be very well made. You also get, this one must be sharp because they put it's not like sharp as a knife, but it's pretty sharp. I don't know what I would use it for, but who knows. Like I said, I didn't buy this because of everything that's in it. I don't know what I'll need yet. I haven't cooked much on this thing, so I probably don't need near as much as I got, but a couple of things I really wanted in here was this cover dome, and man, that's a small one. I thought it was bigger than that. It's pretty small. Maybe it's big enough. I don't know. Let's see. It is about 8 3/4 inches. I was kind of hoping it'd be, good 12 inches or something. I guess that'll work for something. But that's one of the reasons that I actually bought this, was because of that. You got to put the handle together. But I did want that. Something I probably won't use. These are egg rings. Comes with 4 of those. I doubt that I use those. Salt and pepper shakers. I kind of doubt I'll use. Those are tiny. But hey, you got them if you want them. You can't hold much in there. That's not very deep. A scrub pad. Won't use that. Bottles I'll use. I do have a couple that came with my grill. I'll use those, but I'll use these too. Can't have enough of those. Let's see here. You got your little scrubber holder. I doubt I use that, but I will use this. It's not lightweight. It's pretty heavy duty, it feels like. I'm gonna make some smash burgers tonight. And then it comes with some other utensils here. I won't use that. I don't baste hardly anything. Maybe I'll just put it in the kitchen drawer for there. There is a knife. I mean, I don't know how good it is. It's probably not very high quality. A good knife costs more than this whole kit costs, so I'm sure that's not a high quality knife. But it'll go in the knife drawer. I won't use it out at the grill. I never use these things. Just make sure and take that plastic off the tips. Those will probably just go in the kitchen drawer in case someone's in. Now I will use these. I do use tongs a lot. And you can never have enough of these. I don't care who you are. I'll use those. Those are decent. Probably better than a couple of them that we have, so that'll be good. Anyway, that's basically it. That's all I'm doing right now. I am going to do some cooking a little bit later. I'll use some of these, but they really seem pretty substantial. So I don't think you'd go wrong with them. It's a plastic-ish handle. I don't know what it's made of. Some kind of composite probably. Might be 3D printed. Who knows? This and the dome were the main two things I needed. No, I'm sorry. This, the dome, and the press. These were the main things I needed. I wanted something kind of quality. And so that's why I went with this. I hope it's quality. These feel really good. This just shocks me because of the size. I thought it'd be bigger. But everything else feels solid. If you're into like fancy wood handled stuff, this won't do. But so anyway, I told you this would be a quick one. That's really all I got to show you. If you're interested in this kit and you want to see more, let me know down in the comments, and maybe I'll put out a video of me actually using them and then give you an idea of what I think when I'm using them on the grill. So hey, that's all I got for right now. And as always, I pray that God blesses you, and I really hope you have a wonderful day.